The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Massive attack launched by high-precision long-range air and sea-based armament on the 31st of October at the facilities of the control, communication and energy systems of Ukraine have resulted in considerable disruption of guiding the groups of the armed forces of Ukraine and their logistic support. Railroad deliveries of reserve forces and material means to the operations areas have been considerably disrupted. Production works at military-industrial facilities of Ukraine have also been disrupted. In Kupiansk direction, a hostile battalion tactical group, reinforced by foreign mercenaries, made unsuccessful attempts to launch attacks towards Nikolayevka, Kuzemovka of Lugansk People's Republic and Orlanka in Kharkov region. All the attacks have been repelled. The enemy has lost over 150 Ukrainian personnel and mercenaries, 3 tanks, 4 armored fighting vehicles and 6 pickups. In Krasny Liman direction, preemptive artillery fire attacks and operations conducted by Russian units against the Ukrainian company tactical groups have resulted in frustrating enemy's attempts to commence an attack towards Chervona Popovka and Makeyevka in Lugansk People's Republic. Over 30 Ukrainian personnel, 4 infantry fighting vehicles and 3 pickups have been eliminated. In Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction, intensive action of Russian forces have resulted in preventing Ukrainian units' attempts to launch an offensive towards Milovoye, Sukhanovo, Ruskinskoye, Kostromka and Zelony Gai in Kherson region. The enemy has been driven back to initial lines. Over 110 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank, 8 armored fighting vehicles and 8 pickups have been eliminated. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 8 Ukrainian command posts near Nikolaev, Bereznigovatoye in Nikolaev region, Andreevka in Kherson region, Vodinoye in Donetsk People's Republic, Kupiansk, Stepovaya Novosolovka, Ivanovka and Golubovka in Kharkov region, as well as 63 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 154 areas. 3 ammunition depots have been destroyed near Kolodezi, Nevskoye in Donetsk People's Republic and Novaya Kamenka in Kherson region. 2 US-manufactured AN-TPQ-50 electronic warfare radars have been destroyed near Belogorovka in Lugansk People's Republic and Solidar in Donetsk People's Republic. Fighter aircraft has shot down 1 Su-24 airplane of the Ukrainian Air Force near Apostolovo in Dnepropetrovsk region. Air defense facilities have destroyed 9 unmanned aerial vehicles near Yevgenovka, Krasny Liman in Donetsk People's Republic, Voivodovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Energodar in Zaporozhye region, Vasilyevka, Kalininskaya, Doslidnoye and Chervonoye Podolye in Kherson region. Moreover, 1 .U ballistic missile has been shot down near Antonovka in Kherson region and 6 projectiles launched by Olha multiple launch rocket system near Donetsk. In total, 329 airplanes and 167 helicopters, 2,402 unmanned aerial vehicles, 384 air defense missile systems, 6,233 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 881 fighting vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,544 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,937 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. Kiev regime continues its provocations aimed at creating a possible technological disaster at the Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. Over the past 24 hours, Ukrainian artillery has launched over 20 projectiles at the northwestern suburbs of Energodar and the territory adjacent to the nuclear power plant. The attacks were launched from Ukrainian-controlled Marganets in Dnepropetrovsk region. The hostile firepower has been neutralized by Russian artillery's counterattack. The radiation environment near the nuclear power plant remains normal.